And I'm Kevin. So, today, samahan nyo kami explore ang history ng sukat.
Pero do you ever wonder bakit ganito yung pangalan ng lugar? Like, bakit siya sukat?
Well, naisip ko rin yan. So, based on sa research, fun fact, nakuha yung word na sukat, which is measurement. Kasi daw, bago pa man ito maging official na community noong panahon ng mga Kastila, madalas itong sukatin ng mga Posadas family.
Totoo, yung mga Posadas, may close connection sila sa mga Kastila. Tapos, sa sobrang dami niyang nasukat na area dito sa lugar, nakapagpatayo siya ng mansion, tapos tinawag yun na Hacienda Rosario. Which is, pangalan ng asawa niya, na si Rosario.
Ang galing nga eh. At syempre, hindi lang to basta kwento na makikita mo mismo sa paligid ng mga bakas ng nakaraan.
Kaya for today's vlog, bibisitahin natin ang iilan sa mga historical destinations dito sa sukat.
Colegio de Muntinlupa is a public higher education institution established in 2018 in Muntinlupa City, Philippines, founded by Mayor Jamie R. Prestendi. CDM was created to address the growing demand for professionals engineering and architecture within the city and neighboring areas. Academic programs. The institution offers the range of Bachelor of Science degrees in engineering and disciplines including civil engineering, computer engineering, electronics engineering, and mechanical engineering. And CDM also plans to introduce a new programs such as architecture, construction, engineering, and management. Environmental engineering is industrial engineering and robotics engineering. Habang lumalawak ang bilang ng mga mag-aaral ay mas lalong lumalaki yung pagsisimula ng mga plano ng lokal. Pamahalaan na magtayo ng modernong pasilidad. At ang bagong gusali ay bahagi ng long-term vision ng CDM na maging isang primary education institution sa bansa na nagpo-promote ng sustainable development at mataas na kalidad ng edukasyon sa engineering and architecture. Kuya, ano pong name niyo?
Ako po si Nixon from BS Industrial Engineering.
So, kuya, may tanong lang po ako. Paano po nakatulong yung pagtayo po ng building na ito sa course niyo po?
Actually, kung isipin natin kasi kung wala tong Colegio de Muntinlupa walang engineering school sa Muntinlupa na libre. So, yun itong Colegio de Muntinlupa to cater students na who wants to pursue mga engineering courses and also architecture courses. And ako as a STEM student, naghahanap rin ako, mahirap nga naman kung pupunta pa ako ng Manila para lang maghanap ng libreng institution na nag-cater ng engineering ng mga disciplines. So, nung tinayo ko, sabi ko, tinry ko mag-exam. Then, after nun, pumasa ako. Sobrang blessed lang. Kaya, ayun. Kasi, huminto rin ako eh. So, di ba iniisip na kaya ko pumasa sa ganitong school. Unang state college na engineering school dito sa Muntinlupa. And sobrang laking tulong rin sa akin na aspiring engineer sa
At ngayon, tumungo naman tayo sa Our Lady of Miraculous Medal National Shrine in Muntinlupa. The Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal National Shrine in Muntinlupa, Philippines was established in 1980. It was envisioned by Father Teodoro Berkin and built on land donated by Mrs. Estela Posadas. The shrine's unique design features a Nautilus-shaped roof and a 100-foot concrete pylon topped with a 70-foot cross. The church was inaugurated on September 7, 1980, coinciding with the 158th anniversary of the Miraculous Medal's apparition to Saint Catherine Labour. It became a parish in 1981 and remains a key pilgrimage site, especially on November 27, the feast of Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal.
From its rich history as a former part of the province of Manila to becoming a bustling part of the metro, Sucat has really grown into a hub for locals and visitors alike. Whether it's the beautiful natural attractions like Sucat Bay or the vibrant community life, there's always something exciting happening here. We explored some cool spots today, like Colegio de Muntinlupa to Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal National Shrine. Sucat still has so much more to offer, from delicious local food to places where you can unwind with family and friends. If you're ever in the area, don't forget to check out these hidden gems and take in the charm of this dynamic neighborhood. Alright, that's a wrap for today's vlog here in beautiful Sucat, Muntinlupa. I hope you enjoyed the sights and sound of this amazing place.